Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams, Bhopal, and this is our special series on daily news review. Before moving any further, let's see what is in the news. But in yesterday's video, I have asked few questions to all of you. Let's discuss their answers first. The first question was, when was National Sports Day was first celebrated in India? And the correct answer is 2012. The second question was, which of the following Ganga tributary originates from the Amarkantak Plateau? So correct answer for this question is Son River. The third and the last question was, what is the aim of Earth Ganga project? So the aim of the Earth Ganga project is a sustainable development model with a focus on economic activities related to Ganga. So let's see what is in the news. African swine fever, that is currently in the news because more than 2,000 pigs die of African swine fever in Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, that too of just in 2 weeks. African swine fever is a highly contagious and fatal animal disease that trigger an acute version of hemorrhagic fever in pigs. The disease was first detected in Africa in 1920s. As of now, there is no vaccine for the disease and the mortality rate is almost 100%. High fever, depression, anorexia, loss of appetite, hemorrhagia in skin, vomiting and diarrhea, difficulty in breathing are some of the symptoms of African swine fever. We should remember that it is not a threat to human beings since it only spread from animal to other animals. Give further boost to Suraksha Sagar campaign, Union Minister of Earth Science Dr. Jitendra Singh launched the dedicated website that will give a push to the cleaning mission. The campaign also launched the logo Vasuki that is dedicated to the youth of the country as they, along with the school students, are taking keen interest in joining the coastal and beach cleaning activities. International Coastal Cleanup Day that is celebrated on the third Saturday of September every year. This year it will be celebrated on 17th September. It is the date of culmination of the campaign as well. As per the recent data released by the National Crime Record Bureau, crime against women rose up by 15.3% in 2021. The report also shows a 20% jump in cognizable crimes against children in 2021 compared to the previous year, making them very vulnerable. Let's understand something about NCRB. NCRB was first set up in 1986 to function as a repository of information on crime and criminals so as to assist the investigator in linking crime to the perpetrator based on the recommendation of the Tandon Committee, National Police Commission, and MHA's task force. Subsequently, NCRB was entrusted with the responsibility for monitoring, coordinating and implementing the crime and criminals tracking network and system projected in year 2009. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced Millet Challenge for startups at Millet Conclave 2022. The conclave is jointly organized by Atal Innovation Mission and University of Agriculture, Science and NABARD in Raichur. It will provide rupees 1 crore grant for 3 winners that develop innovation across the millet value chain. She also announced rupees 25 crore funding by NABARD under Rural Infrastructure Development Fund to University of Agriculture Sciences, Raichur for establishment of Millet Value Chain Park, incubation center for processing, value addition, and capacity building for promotion of millets. We should remember that Karnataka is a leading producer of millets and India is the highest producer of millets and its fifth largest exporter as well. Government of India proposed to United Nations for declaring 2023 as International Year of Millet. The proposal was supported by 72 countries and United Nations General Assembly declared 2023 as International Year of Millets on 5th of March 2021. The government is celebrating its successful years of Pradhanmantri Jandanyujna. Let's understand something about the Pradhanmantri Jandanyujna. PMJDY is a national mission on financial inclusion encompassing an integrated approach to bring about comprehensive financial inclusion of all the households in the country. The plan envisages universal access to banking facility with at least one basic banking account for every household, financial literacy, access to credit, insurance, and pension facility. In addition, the beneficiary would get RuPay debit card having inbuilt accident insurance cover of rupees 1 lakh. So it's a quiz time, and the first question is, what is the logo for Swachh Sagar Suraksha Sagar campaign? Your options are Maruti, Varuna, Vasuki, and Samudra. The second question is, when will International Year for Millets to be celebrated? Your options are 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025. Comment the correct answers in the comment section. I'll be providing the correct answers for these questions in upcoming video. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to hit like button, comment your valuable feedback, and also press the subscribe button. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.